Okay, so right now I'm just trying to wear some makeup, and I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and then this e.l.f. blush and contour thing, and then this Koki bronzer, and this Burt's Bees Redwood Forest. I really like that. And then this Revlon Color Stay, I think it's like the eyeshadow in 710, and I'm using my Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. Yeah, so I'm good, we're good, so let's start. Now I still have to do my nails because I feel kind of embarrassed from yesterday. My nails weren't as pretty, you know, so let me try and do them while talking about how cute Dr. Mike is, with my cousin who's a nurse. And so yeah, this is our conversation. Okay, so hi again guys. So I didn't talk earlier like live because I'm still getting used to vlogging. I feel kind of shy vlogging around here. There's so many people here in the house and dogs. But anyways, so right now I've been just watching I think her name is Nicole Raffi, and so I enjoy her vlogs and stuff, so you should like check her out. She's fun. So, and you know, she really likes the Strokes, so I checked out, you know, she was like waiting for the Strokes new music videos, so I watched it too, so it's kind of cool. But anyway, so right now I'm about to paint. I'm just trying to fix my messy table. There's so many things, and so yeah, I'm still looking at Pinterest for inspiration, and yeah, hopefully I can put this on my Society 6 shop for more, you know, it's exciting, so yeah. Okay guys, at this point I don't really know what I was doing. I was experimenting if, you know, I should use brown, but I kind of turned out horrible, so I was like, let me just take out the tapes and see what I can do. And then I just keep changing it. Okay, let me do white, and then like I change it to brown. And then, you know, at this point I was like, okay, I'm just gonna experiment and I don't care anymore. So I just painted this random I can't say any bad words, random thingies, and then just put dots on them, and put blue and green and yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I was inspired by this artist. I'm gonna put the name on the screen right now. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was the video. I mean, I know it wasn't much, but you know, nothing much is really happening. I'm just here staying at home, keeping safe, and I hope you guys too are safe and practicing safety precautions or measures. Is that what you call it? But anyway, I hope you find this video helpful or you enjoyed it at least. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I was inspired by this Pinterest post, and I'm still confused with my art style. So it's okay to be confused, I guess, as long as you just keep working on it, like doing art every day. So yeah, bye guys, stay safe. So